USCIS Form I-766, Employment Authorization Document or Work Permit explained. Are you hoping to legally work in the United States, but unsure where to start? For many immigrants, the first step is getting a work permit, officially called an Employment Authorization Document, or EAD card. Let's break down exactly what that means and how you can get one. An EAD card, also known as Form I-766, is an ID card issued by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, that proves you have permission to work in the U.S. It's different from a visa. Some visas automatically grant work authorization, but many don't. If your visa doesn't allow you to work, you'll need an EAD card to legally earn income in the U.S. So what are the perks of having an EAD card? It lets you work lawfully in the U.S., access fair pay and labor protections, and present real ID-compliant identification, which can be helpful when flying or accessing certain services. More importantly, it helps you avoid doing unauthorized work, which protects your path to a green card and access to future immigration benefits. Now, who actually needs an EAD card? You might need one if you're applying for a green card or a DACA recipient, asylum seeker, TPS holder, or someone on humanitarian parole. Student visa holders, like those on F1 OPT or J2S, may also need an EAD to work. If you're on an H-1B, O-1, or other work visa that already includes employment authorization, you don't need to get an EAD card. If you think you need a work permit, here's how to get started. First, confirm that you're eligible. Then file Form I-765, either online or by mail. The filing fee is $470 if you apply online, or $520 if you mail in your application. Next, you'll need to submit supporting documents that prove your eligibility and identity. USCIS provides a full checklist for your category, so double-check before you send anything in. Once your application is submitted, processing usually takes 1 to 2 months, but that timeline can vary depending on your immigration status, the service center, and whether USCIS requests more evidence. If everything goes smoothly, your EAD card will arrive in the mail within a few weeks after approval. So what happens once you have your card? You can apply for a social security number, start working legally, pay taxes, and begin building your life in the U.S. workforce, all while staying compliant with immigration law. Remember, maintaining valid work authorization is of utmost importance, so make sure you renew your EAD before it expires. Still have questions about EAD cards or your eligibility? Drop them in the comments and check out the full guide linked in the description to learn more.